There's an app called RaiseMe College Scholarship. So how to install it? So just tap get, double click to install, and then you'll be able to get that. Earn for grades, clubs, and more. Discover colleges that might be a great fit. Add achievements to your portfolio. Earn micro scholarship for your achievements. That's an interesting feature. And with the free RaiseMe profile, you can earn no essay scholarship for getting good grades in the classroom, taking SAT and SAT, taking AP courses, playing sports, volunteering, and more. Over 2 million students have earned scholarship with RaiseMe, as seen in CNN, Money, BuzzFeed, The New York Times, PBS NewsHour, TechCrunch. Feature: follow your favorite colleges and discover new colleges that could be a great fit for you. Add high school achievements like good grades. See what you can do in high school to earn more from colleges. Refer your friends to start earning college scholarships on RaiseMe. 300 plus colleges partner with RaiseMe to offer scholarships. Studying and doing your homework pays off. And so this is the app. Who are you? You can just set up parent, high school student, and college student, and then you can just try to sign up. And then you can just sign up with Google, for example. Let's see how it works. And then you just can enter your info like that. All right, so just for example, then you can just enter your current address, and then you can just basically proceed. So that's basically how you get started.